mo sa kanya, Melanie, pag sweet kayo?
Han. Han.
Han. O anong tawag mo sa kanya pag sweet kayong dalawa?
Geeks.
X. Okay.
I used to hear a simple song. That was until you came along. Now in its place is something new. I hear it when I look at you.
So, happy wedding anniversary, Di. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng pinagsamahan natin. Over 22 years na ako yung anak mo. And masaya ako na I was on this journey na kasama mo lumaki at lumagaw bilang isang magulang in the same way na lumaki at lumago rin ako bilang iyong anak.
You are more beautiful by far. Our flaws are who we really are.
Kung ano ang puno, siyang bunga. Masaya silang dalawa. Pero sabi ng mga anak, kahit corny ang jokes, yan ang pamilya nila. 25 years.
Thank you so much, pagiging mabait na bata. Siguro napalaki naman namin kayo ng maayos. So, thank you so much. I love you, babe.
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. As long as I live, I love you. Will heaven hold you? You look so beautiful in white. And from now to my very last breath.
Buong buhay ko, nalaman ko tungkol sa'yo na mahal mo naman talaga si Daddy. Tapos sana sa susunod ng years, ganun din. Kasi alam ko naman mahal niyo naman isa't isa. Parang mahal mo lang kami. Love you, Mommy. Love you, Bebe.
What we have is timeless. My love is endless. And with this ring, I say to the world, you're my every reason. You're all that I believe in. With all my heart, I mean every word. So as long as I live, I love you. Will heaven hold you? You look so beautiful in white. And from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful.
Melanie, do you reaffirm your married love and fidelity to Emiliano before God and this community?
Yes, I do.
Emiliano, do you reaffirm your married love and fidelity to Melanie before God and this community?
Yes, I do.
And if a daughter's what a future holds, I hope she has your
25 years after, no longer a promise, hindi na isang pangako, but rather now it is a wonderful experience of reality, the reality of true love and devotion.
in a world, yeah, yeah. Na 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 na, so beautiful in white, so
Sana makita natin halimbawa yon sa buhay ng dalawang ito na nag-iiwang ng 25 years. They have not only fallen in love with each other, but they have fallen in love with God.
So beautiful.